Hello everyone. There is something that I want to share with all of you. Not just with you, but also to all my students and cadets of the ACC wing of Indian Military Academy, and also to all my students who have become officers in the Indian Army. It is my deepest honor, yes, it is my deepest honor to voice for the 19th Jat Battalion of the Indian Army. Yes, recently I have given a voiceover to the 19th Jat Battalion of the Indian Army. So one day, one of my students who has become an officer in the Indian Army now, he called me around 11 p.m. and I was about to go to my bed for a sleep. He called me up and he told me that, sir, it's our Palton's raising day and we are making a video on it and we want your voice on it. So can you do it? So immediately I said, yes, there is no question about it. I will do it and I will do it right now. Please send me the script. So he sent me the script and I realized that while reading the script and while doing the voiceovers of that particular video, it gave me goosebumps and it gave me a feeling and realization that हम अपने घर में आराम से चद्दर तान के सोते हैं रात में, but these guys, the Indian Army, the Air Force and the Navy, and the Indian Army particularly, they are the ones who are standing all along our borders and all the strategic positions of India where there is a possible threat. हम लोग आराम से चद्दर तान के सोते हैं और वेट करते हैं अगले दिन होने का और अपने दिन में वापस जाने का, पर ये लोग पूरी रात दिन सुबह शाम हर दिन खड़े हैं जस्ट बिकॉज आपको वो आज़ादी मिल सके. और ये आप मत भूलिएगा कि 47 के बाद आपको आज़ादी मिल गई है. आज़ादी आपसे कभी भी छीनी जा सकती है अगर ये लोग नहीं होंगे, तो इस बात का आप ध्यान रखें. इट इज़ माई डीपेस्ट ऑनर टू voice for the Palton, and for security purpose I cannot share the entire video and the entire audio clip, although I'll be sharing a small part of it. आप उसे सुनिएगा और थोड़ा महसूस कीजिएगा कि पल्टन हमारी क्या करती है, आर्मी हमारी क्या करती है, कैसे कैसे स्ट्रेटेजिक पॉइंट्स होते हैं उनको कैप्चर किया जाता है, कैसे कैसे कंडीशंस में वो लोग मनूवर करते हैं, और विदाउट एनी कंप्लेंट्स. देयर इज़ नो कंप्लेंट अबाउट इट कि हमें ये करना पड़ेगा, अरे अब तो ऐसा है, पैसे इतने मिलते हैं, या सैलरी नहीं बढ़ रही है, या इंक्रीमेंट नहीं हो रहा है. देयर इज़ नो इफ़ एंड बट, देयर इज़ नो इन द डिक्शनरी ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी. और यही जो है हमें आज़ादी दे रहा है हर दिन, हर रोज़, हर पल. इसका हमें ध्यान रखना है और कभी भी आप लोग इन लोगों का डिसरिस्पेक्ट ना करें और कभी भी इन लोगों को उस नज़र से ना देखें कि ये लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो सही नहीं कर रहे. ये लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल सही कर रहे हैं. ये लोग भगवान और हीरो से कम नहीं है हमारे लिए. विद दैट नोट आई विल बी शेयरिंग अ वीडियो ऑन इट. आप इस अगले लिंक पे क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.
19th Battalion, the Jat Regiment, or proudly we say the Balwan Battalion, is a saga of dedication, devotion to duty, valor, sacrifice and tradition. With its stowing spirit and professionalism, the battalion has proven itself cut above the rest since its raising. On 1st August 1980, Lieutenant Colonel late A.S. Reddy raised and laid the solid foundation of the Palton with soldiers from the states of Rajasthan, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh at Jat Regimental Center, Bareilly, when the battalion was tasked to capture Point 5070. The captured post was rechristened as Balwan Post. Unit was conferred with coveted Chief of Army Staff citation, apart from several other gallantry honors and awards. During the tenures in icy heights of Himalayas, at altitude ranging from 12,000 to 15,000 feet, the unit engineered subterranean defenses. The Balwans, while being deployed in the plains of Assam during Operation Rhino, carved a name for itself. The legacy of Gallant 19 lives on through its exceptional officers. We salute them all. The history of 19th is a tapestry of honor, sacrifice and unwavering dedication. As we celebrate our 45th raising day, let us remember the legacy of those who have served and the future they aspire. The fallen heroes of 19 are a testament to the strength, courage and the resilience of our Palton. Their legacy lives in the heart of every Jawan and in the spirit of 19.